Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Haven't been long time. Simon haven't been go to the job site. Today is the miserable day. It's raining. It's really raining, and I have to go to my car and get an umbrella. So we can. Haven't got time to fix that one. Just replace the door. Anyway, he have to go on the job site and do some fixing cars today. Around the corner, my friend cars. So haven't been a long time. Haven't driving the car go to work on the job site because I was really sick. It keep cough all the time and so busy at home. So today we come back with our Aussie way, working hard. Okay, doesn't matter what weather they are, we still come for you, my friends. Okay. So this is my friend cars, and we are coming. Yesterday he rang me, and his wife was park the car down in pick up the kid from school, and she couldn't start the car, and I was tell him to knocking on the starter motor, and it will work. And I said to him, drive home and leave the car there, and your wife go to work today, and I will come and take up the starter motor and go and get a new one for him. Okay, that's the only solution. But unfortunately, it's not a good day today for me. It's the good day for the ducks. A very long time I was sick and cough and busy, and when I sick, it took me very long to get rid of it. Last 3 weeks I couldn't talk because I lost my voice. But that sick I doesn't care more than my love sick. When I love sick, I be sick for 2 years or 3 years. So sick love is very dangerous, so don't get involved in sick love. Okay, love sick, I mean love sick. Yeah, love sick. Don't get involved in love sick. Anyway, let's boogie and go to the job site and do some more work. Okay, this is real Aussie boys, real Aussie. Oh, hot, raining. The outside is 21 degrees Celsius, but you know, it should be summer. It's not raining, man. Okay, let's go, man. It's not a good day for me. It's raining, not a good day. But you know, promise is promise. When I said to do someone cars, I come 2 days, I come. Just think about this way: if I don't come, how they gonna get the car go to work tomorrow? But today they organize the car. They go to work in the morning. And I said to them, well, organize the car, go to work tomorrow, leave the car there. So my promise is promise, okay? So I have to come. Doesn't matter what weather. Stormy, snowy, whatever, I still come. Places here. And I got to his house. The car was there, yep. Waiting for some of these drivers coming out, in and out, very slowly. With all the way the people driving. So I will come in and take a quick look and get the starter motor for him. Okay, so he's at home now. Here is the Toyota Kluger. Okay, here at the house we have to go in here inside, and I have to go in and get a key and fix the car because the car at home, no one home. Okay, now we go in and remove the starter motor. Orion 2008, 9, 10, all same shit, different smell. V6. Take up the airbox complete here, and make sure you put them on position. Hey, we got one of this one broken. See, it came up. Sometimes make the car idling not very good. Put it back for him later. Anyway, all this come up, and you can enter your hand in there and take up the battery terminal. This is the best setup for fixed car in the bloody rain. It costs few more umbrella for me. Okay, take up and remember with house go with, okay? And later fix all the air leak here for him. You see the old air crack here? Later get a plier, cut a little bit and slide them in better. Or if you got super glue, have you got super glue, man? Plumber don't have super glue. Plumber don't have super glue. Plumber shit. Okay. See, take up the top air box. And the air cleaner very dirty. Now he get the blower. He blow it up, man. This guy tied us. Come on, man, go and buy a new one. Okay, right. No, tell him go and buy another one later, okay? He tied us guy. Anyway, we take this one off and you can see the whole world there. But before do that, oh shit man, don't lose any single one of the houses. We don't have one. So take it all off here and take off the berry and you can see the whole world, okay? So when we clear it out and you will see the bracket here, it's behind the starter motor. You want to make it easy, take up the whole berry bracket and you can enter your hand. This moment, take up the berry and here, 2 bolts and you clear. This is the real location of the starter motor for the V6 ZGR 2GR engines. And here is the clearance, so don't use energy saver, okay? Use your energy saver. Don't damage yourself. Don't hurt yourself. In the Toyota, like I mentioned earlier, any Toyota starter motor is very easy to replace. But the worst one is the alternator. But who cares? What we do today is today. Starter motor, see? Clearly. The last bolt come out. And bring the starter motor to get recon. If we can't get recon, we get a new one. Hopefully they got some in stock. So yesterday I will tell him knocking, and here is the damage where he knocking. Good, as long as it work and save his life to go home, he happy. Now we left everything behind and pull this bastard out, and we are bingo. See, the reason for the starter motor is the solenoid here. It's hot and it's stuck, so the electrical not jumping and not kicking in the relay, not kicking in. So better get a new one. We left everything behind. Now we drive to the place to get the starter motor and quickly put it on for him. So he's home. I call him and he's waiting for me to put it back. Now we have to go about 1 hour and we come back. Motor now is more heavy rain coming down when I on the way to pick up the new starter motor. Heavy rain. Needed urgent today, and we tried to get the reconditioning one, so but they don't have the reconditioning one, so we have to get the brand banking new one. See, not even one scratching on it, brand banking new. And we put on for him so he can have the car go to work tomorrow. So can't wait. It's raining and traffic because so many people are down here. You know, some young drivers don't have much experience driving in the rain, and they're driving very scary. So very careful when you go down to some places have a lot of people, because raining, you know, very experienced driver, man. We need raining. Even it's raining today. I don't know what the council working on today, man. Say this is something slow me down too. This is good excuse for it. Come on, man. The gate was down. Why the people still going? Why don't you lift up the gate? Now the traffic, man, far out. Traffic's heavy underwear today, man. Not a good day. Really good day for the ducks. Really good day for the ducks, man. I'd rather stay home. Sick club. Sick club better than I have to go to work. Speed camera. Everyone's scared of speed cameras. I do maximum overdrive. Overdrive, everyone. Come on, hurry. You know how to drive? Get down here. Come on, man. We nearly made it, right? We are home, baby. We are home. We are home. We are home, baby. I'm home. I'm home. Okay, this is our brand banking new. All you just have to do is, see this one? Just slide the bastard in. And kaboom. Now, put the bulb on and everything back in. Okay, we install exactly how we take it out, how we put it back on. Just the 2 bolts, very easy this way. And not that hard if you do this car. The V6 on Toyota or anything, or 4-cylinder, they're all about the same location. Most Toyota are the same, okay? Okay. bit to go. Make sure the flag got to be on the clip. See, got to be clip on. And number 12 here. Last one to go is the main battery terminal. Go on the groups, so you go in position like that. And if you got the spring washer, will be good, but they don't have one here. Sorry, too lazy go to the car get one. But it's got the little group there to stop the bolt come up. Mostly everything back. So just put everything back and battery on the tray. See, this is very weird little battery tray right here. See, nothing holding on it. Just see the battery on like that. See, terrible, man. Anyway, put the airbox back and we kaboom. Airbox is wet because it's raining. Oh shit, got some bolt in there. Get the water out. Connect all the wire back. Make sure all the air house in position. Make sure it's super tight and don't let any air leak. Okay, last one, the battery in. And put everything back and we start up. We see moment of truth. See how good the brand banking new battery look like. Make sure everything tied on properly, okay? Make sure all the flux is on. No truth. No moment of truth. Start it up, please. Okay. Work like brand new. Actually, very quiet. Okay. Turn up and turn on and off. Không có đề. 3 times. Turn up the light. Turn up the light đi. Turn up the light. Okay. Turn on and off the key all the way 3 times. Bật lên bật xuống 3 lần. 3 times. And then number 3, start the car. It reset the ECU for you. Because the idle is low, right? Okay, start. See? Now the idle back to normal, see? That's how you do for Toyota. Thanks for watching Simon 2, and this is how Simon repair and replace the starter motor for the Kluger 2008. Working good now. See? That's how you reset the, when you take off the battery terminal, turn on and off 3 times and start again, and it's set back to the idle. You terrible, man. He tried to test my skill. He tried to test my skill. He just tried to turn on and off 3 times like that. He tried to test my skill, right? See, I did a good job, man. See? The car done. The car done. The owner, he very happy and he act like crazy. Where my $2? But job was success and happy. Now we are going home. Okay, guys. Job success and ready to go home. Thanks you for watching Simon 2s. And if you have the same car, that's how you replace starter motor for the Camrys or V6 or V6 or all 4-cylinder, all about the same location. See ya.